Okay, take two. Sorry for the interruption. So now we're going to start filling in these spots in here with these kind of shapes. So in here, it's pretty obvious that there's a room for a T form that looks like that. Maybe out here, something that looks like this. Don't worry about realism on these because their animals were stylized, as we talked about, not realistic at all. When I look at the eyes, maybe I want to do something, maybe, well, I like this one, maybe along this line. So I'm going to take and draw around his little eyes and then put a little shape inside there. A seal kind of has a snout that comes out, so I'm going to put a line like this on either side. There's probably still room out here for some kind of a T-form shape. Could give him little eyebrows that are U-forms. Like that. His mouth would be something along those lines. And then obviously a seal has big whiskers. So I'm just going to very simply add those on. And then down here, maybe I want to have some kind of a look. Something maybe like this one here. And then probably need an ovoid there. An ovoid there. And then also remember lots of times they fill in spaces with eyes whenever they have leftover space. So if I go back to the eyes, it doesn't need to be as obvious here, but thought I had one on there, but we're just gonna go something like that. Okay, so now my shapes are pretty much taken up. My next step will be to choose a color of colored construction paper and transfer this in pencil onto the colored construction paper. Make sure that you make it as big as it is on here. So like the construction paper is going to be bigger, but you need to make sure it fills the space in the same way. So this is my finished example that you can see. So my paper was this big and the seal got that much bigger.